Control your Tesla from your wrist. This video guides you through adding the Tesla app to your Apple Watch. Launched in 2021, this feature allows you to remotely manage your Tesla vehicle, offering convenience and control at your fingertips. As of late 2025, it's a popular feature, with over 70% of Tesla owners using wearable integrations daily. You can use features like remote control and vehicle monitoring. We'll show you how to set it up and use its key functions. Before you begin using the Tesla app on your Apple Watch, ensure you have the following prerequisites and that your devices are compatible. First, you need a Tesla vehicle. The app is compatible with all Tesla models, including Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, Cybertruck, and Roadster. You'll need an active Tesla account to authenticate and access your vehicle's controls through the app. The Tesla app requires an iPhone running iOS 14 or later, as the Apple Watch pairs through the iPhone for initial setup. Your Apple Watch must be paired with the iPhone and running watchOS 10 to support the latest Tesla app features. Make sure you have the latest version of the Tesla app, v4.28 Plus, as of mid-2025, to ensure compatibility with your Apple Watch. Your Tesla vehicle requires an active internet connection through its built-in LTE for remote controls and monitoring via the app. To add the Tesla app to your Apple Watch, start by downloading the latest version from the App Store on your iPhone. Once installed, make sure your Apple Watch is already paired with your iPhone through the Watch app. The Tesla app should automatically sync to your Apple Watch after pairing. If it doesn't sync automatically, open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to Installed on Apple Watch, and manually enable the Tesla app. Open the Tesla app on your Apple Watch. You'll be prompted to authenticate with your Tesla account credentials. Enter your username and password. Consider enabling biometric authentication, Face ID, or Watch Unlock for enhanced security. Once authenticated, the app will sync with your Tesla vehicle. The Tesla app on Apple Watch provides essential remote controls for managing your vehicle from your wrist. Tap to lock or unlock your Tesla's doors securely from the watch interface. Start or stop heating and cooling remotely to maintain comfortable cabin temperature. Use the horn to locate your vehicle or alert others in emergencies. Flash the vehicle's lights to easily spot your Tesla in parking lots. Remotely access the front trunk for convenient storage needs. Activate Sentry Mode for enhanced security monitoring and recording. All features connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, initially for pairing, then switch to cellular for reliable remote operation. Monitor your Tesla's status directly from your wrist. View battery range, charge status, and vehicle location. For vehicles equipped with connected cameras, you can also access security camera feeds. This real-time data keeps you informed about your vehicle's condition and location. Convenience commands allow you to perform quick actions on your Tesla directly from your Apple Watch. Siri integration takes this further by enabling hands-free voice commands, making vehicle management effortless while on the go. Ensure Siri is properly configured on your iPhone. This enables voice commands to work seamlessly with the Tesla app. Convenience commands provide instant access to common Tesla functions. For example, say, "Hey Siri, heat up my car" to activate climate control remotely, or "Hey Siri, start charging my Tesla" to begin charging. By integrating Siri with your Tesla app, you can execute these commands hands-free, enhancing convenience and safety while driving or multitasking. If the app isn't syncing, ensure both your iPhone and Apple Watch have a stable internet connection. Force close and reopen the Tesla app on both devices. Check for app updates in the App Store. Customize complications, such as battery level widget, on your watch face for quick access. Remember that most features require vehicle proximity within 300 feet for safety, and all data is encrypted for user privacy.